See, like how gold can be used as a currency in any country. If you have gold, in any country you can get your food, your accommodation, or anything you can buy, anything you want, you will be able to get in any country. Like gold is the common currency almost in all countries. There are some conscious principles, currency in the whole cosmos. If you have these principles in you, you can use that energy, that principles, that consciousness as currency in the whole cosmos, all vertical time zones. In this planet Earth are the higher time zones, vertical time zones, higher planes. You can use them as currency. Patanjali uses a beautiful word, Sarva Bhaumya Vrataha, means in all places of existence, these principles will have its value. Understand? These principles will have its value in all zones of existence. Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha. First principle is non-violence. Second is absolute integrity with the nature and cosmos. Third, non-stealing. Fourth, listen. When I say non-stealing, not only not robbing others' properties, not taking away life or livelihood of natural inhabitants of planet Earth, like animals. Taking life away from them for you eating their body is stealing. No life can belong to another life. If something is empowered to run and save itself from you, you don't have right to kill them and eat. That is why animals cannot be used as food. You can't steal their organs or their body, their life for your food. This conscious currencies will help you to live in any zone you reach. For example, a person non-violent and non-stealing can live as long as you want in Tapoloka, higher zone, where the peaceful beings exist. If you mastered the principle of living with minimal things, aparigraha, you can live in Svargaloka as long as you want, because Svargaloka has everything. all the best luxuries, but nobody can possess it. All luxuries minus possessiveness is Swargaloka. So anybody who lives with minimal things, aparigraha, masters that life conscious principle of non-possessiveness. That conscious principle of non-possessiveness, aparigraha, makes your consciousness qualified to live in Swargaloka. I tell you, each of the truth I am uttering is absolute, straightforward, cosmic logic. I am not talking something which you just need to believe. No. What I am talking is experiential cosmic logic. You can experiment with what I am saying. You can see the results of it in your life from today. Only human beings who built their life consciousness-based principles are going to survive, I tell you. You will have energy, excitement to live if you built your life based on non-stealing and living with minimal things and non-violence and absolute integrity to cosmos. People who built their life and their mental setup with non-violence, non-stealing, absolute integrity, and living with minimal things and brahmacharya, with all these principles, they are going to be continuously excited, inspired, energetic, alive in post-corona world. All the people who built their mental setup, life, consciousness with delusion are going to be shattered. I tell you, that is why I was telling, if you are young, especially infused with these great principles of conscious principles, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha, Brahmacharya, Ahimsa, non-violence, non-stealing, living with minimal things and living with absolute integrity and brahmacharya. With these principles, if you are built, you have a great future. Understand? People who built their consciousness, mind, life with delusionary principles, with delusions, literally will be losing life, because what they think is the result of their life, their source of inspiration, which excites them, is melting down. If you already built your consciousness with less delusion, you are blessed. At least now, remove all the delusions. Build consciousness-based life. Go for agriculture-based lifestyle. Contributing, manufacturing-based lifestyle. Tourism, non-vegetarian animal husbandry industries are going to lose its importance. human beings are going to realize eating animals is not the way of life. Life is going to become more and more non-violent. These conscious principles, if you build, that conscious currency will help you. I think that is the only thing which is going to help you post-corona world. That is only going to be your strength, your power. In post-corona world, these conscious principles based, built body, brain, mind, life, these are going to be the most important, useful for your life in post-corona world.